Hello everyone and welcome back to the hybrid event. Today I would like to discuss the commonly asked question: if you need Windows Admin Center to deploy or work with Azure Stack HCI. Let me quickly switch my screen and then let me show you how it is. So as you can see, if you use Windows Admin Center, it's recommended to use Windows Admin Center to configure certain tasks and make your life a bit easier, but especially as a lot of our customers and a lot of Microsoft customers have concerns about the Windows Admin Center performance. Every task you can perform in Windows Admin Center, you can also perform in PowerShell. So if you know the PowerShell command, that you can deploy your host network and ATCs through the PowerShell commandlets. You can deploy storage configurations through the PowerShell commandlets. You can configure the registration and also the cluster aware update through PowerShell. The Windows Admin Center is only an interface for the PowerShell commandlets. It makes it especially for people who are more into UI, into optical without using a lot of code. It's easier to use Windows Admin Center, but especially for deployment, etc., it's sometimes easier to use PowerShell commandlets and then save the scripts and then use it for another node deployment. So to quickly answer the question, it's not required, it's recommended, but especially for deployment, it's sometimes easier to use the PowerShell commandlets as you have a few more options, and also for monitoring and the additional tasks like deploying the hybrid benefits or monitoring tasks, it's easier to use the Windows Admin Center. And another question to discuss here is, do I need to install the Windows Admin Center on-premise, or can I use the one on in Azure? Yes and no. So some things like storage management, etc., is not available in Azure, in Windows Admin Center in Azure. So it helps to have it installed on-prem, but there's no need to be available at any time. So maybe you have one running somewhere which you can use, but there's no need to have a lot of Windows Admin Centers for all of your clusters. Maybe having one or two machines near your machines is okay, and for the rest of the time you could use Windows Admin Center from Azure, except some certain tasks like storage management and a few things which aren't available in Azure yet. That's all from me for today. If you have more questions, post them in the comments below, subscribe to our channel, and I will also link you a few more resources about that question, and also my comparison about Windows Admin Center and Azure versus the gateway version in the description below. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.